Okay, hello everyone. It's me. I'm back. I never planned to do a video, but I've only realized that I should do one after I did my makeup. Yep, this is Halloween. Happy Halloween. I never thought about doing this, but you guys can get ready with me before I do a TikTok. Yes, I am doing a TikTok today. Doing it for Halloween. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just winging it. This was not planned out. So let's get to it. Okay. Life is different now, so honestly, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just making a video for TikTok, so why not get ready with me for a TikTok? I'm thinking of doing two styles on one side and another style on the other side. So I'm thinking of curling this side and then I'll straighten this side. I know it's not really drastic, but my face is already drastic. Maybe I'll do a braid on this side. I have no idea. So how's everyone been doing? I am so behind on my videos. I know I've been saying that I would post twice a week. I have no excuse, really. I don't have an excuse. I'll curl this side first and I'll decide on the other side after. Normally I do tutorials or I do Famous Friday, but today is a get ready with me video. I guess I'll start talking about my life, what I've been up to. I've just been at work. I go home after and I just chill because we're in a pandemic right now and there's really nothing to do but TikTok. And I guess I should really start making more videos, right? Please give me a thumbs up if you want me to do more videos. I just planned to do my makeup today. I didn't know what I was going to do. I wasn't planning to make a TikTok video, but I saw that I should do something because it's Halloween and I usually don't do something drastic like this. And this is actually my first time doing this kind of makeup on myself. Normally I would get my sister to do my makeup, but since pandemic is happening, it's not going to happen, right? So I want to try it and I have nowhere to go. So I should go somewhere, just walk outside. I'm gonna be the only one looking like this though, because you know what? It's not even Halloween today, but I'm making it for tomorrow, which is Halloween, which is today, which is now, right? You get what I mean? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and braid my hair. Alright, there it is. I'm done. So thank you guys for watching. I know that I should have recorded myself doing my makeup, but I did not think about it until after. So I just wanted to do a get ready with me tutorial, a get ready with me video before I film my TikTok videos. And it's very simple. I just did curls on one side and then I did a braid on the other side. So thank you guys. I will try my best to continue to do videos. Honestly, it just does not pop up in my mind anymore because my mind is just occupied with TikTok, because all I watch are TikTok videos and I try to do some videos. So check that out and stay tuned for this video that I'm about to do. Just follow my TikTok and check it out. So thank you guys. Happy Halloween. I hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys are for Halloween, and if you want to see me do more videos like this. I mean, the only occasion is Halloween, so maybe next year I can do it again. But yeah, subscribe and stay tuned for my next few videos, and bye!